Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out this video. I've been a little busy on the Demon Man, trying to get some stuff done on her, and I have. I got a few things done, and we'll go over that here in a second. But I want to show you guys the On3 exhaust that I've been wanting to get, and I finally got them. And if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see these things on there before I wrap them. And man, they really were nice looking pipes. I kind of hated to wrap them, but you'll never see them. And plus, I'm trying to cut down as much temperature as I possibly can, you know, in cab, under hood, all that stuff. So they turned out real good. The wrap turned out nice. The third piece is on the car. Of course, you guys have been following my channel for a while. You know I like to mock stuff up. So I've already mocked those up, seen how they're gonna fit. They're gonna fit real good. So we're gonna roll with it. I got some AC components ordered. I got a brand new dryer on its way. Rock Auto, of course. And I think this is the pressure. I'm not sure. I'm not an AC guy, but got a new one of them coming. Now the orifice tube, I'm not gonna replace it because this one right here was just replaced right before I actually started working on the car. So I'm gonna put a piece of DI sleeve on this. I think a 3/4 or 1 inch. I measured the other day. I believe it was 3/4, something like that. But we'll get a piece for that. Oil pump prime tool, man. Look at there. We got her ready. That come in this week. We'll get the oil pump primed up. Gauge pod. I don't know if I may have mentioned this in the video before. I'm not sure, but I bought this on eBay a while back. I've had it for a while, so I didn't know if I mentioned it or not, because I don't really look back on a lot of my videos. But yeah, I got that ready to go in the car. That'll be for the boost gauge, the wideband, possibly a temperature or oil. Of course, I'm gonna put some mechanical temperature and oil sensors on here just a little bit later. Not really worried about those right now. But I got the battery tray installed that I got from Fox Mustang Restorations when we was down there for Stampede After Storm Day 2 that they presented. Got that installed with the hardware. Got two of these guys. They were said used, man, $5 a piece, but this one was brand new. This is Motorcraft. Went ahead and put that one on the car. Now, I'll put a card up here in the corner of the screen as to the video where I wrapped this thing. It's kind of a little experiment to see if I liked it and see how it would do and turn out. And it turned out like crap. So I bought 1.5 inch sleeve for this. And every few inches, I just put one of those bands for the heat wrap down through here. And of course, I got it fastened to the car away from the header. This time I went this way with it, right by the power steering hoses, going straight into the bell housing. And I'm telling you, man, that clutch cable feels really good, because I sat in the car and it feels, I'm gonna leave everything the way it is. It feels nice and adjusted, everything else. So that's done. Fuel lines are hooked up because I got another piece of 1.5 inch, and I just laid this thing up there, guys, and just eyeballed and made a cut right here. I need to cut that string off, but made a cut right here where this fuel line's coming out at. And we are retaining the clip, and this one also has a clip on it. I just vacuumed the hoses out real good before I hooked them up. This is cut in 2 pieces, and the reason why I cut it in 2 pieces is because I am reusing the factory bracket that bolts to the head. I just popped it off the lines because you can take it off, and slid the bottom piece on, popped it back on the lines, bolted up. These lines are nice and secure. They're not going anywhere. And I also eyeballed where the Schrader valve was coming out on this top piece, and just made a little cut in there. And that turned out real good. I like the way that right there come out. So had plenty of that. I didn't cut none of the length off. I just used it all, and it turned out real good. The charcoal canister usually sits right here, but of course I'm not going to leave it there. I'm going to try to make, you know, the engine bay's clean as possible. Even though it's going to have a battery in here and all that stuff, but still, some of the stuff that I can hide, I'm going to hide it. So I just moved it over here on this side. Got a new rubber line going right here to this hard line coming from the back of the car. Got it in a bracket. Hadn't really figured out where I'm going to bolt that up yet. Still need to do that. Now this line here usually goes up to the intake up top. I went ahead and put a new line on it, and we put a fuel filter on it to help keep moisture and stuff like that out of this line. And I was trying to figure out how I was going to mount this thing, because I didn't want to mount it to the core support or anything like that. So I had some winch rope that was broke. I just wrapped it around here, Took a couple of zip ties, crisscrossed them right into this hose clamp, pulled them tight, stuck the fuel filter down in the hose clamp, tightened it up, and she's nice and secure, man. She's not going anywhere. So I'm hoping that that's not going to be in the way of anything when I get ready to put the front end and the fender and the splash guard and all that stuff back on the car. So that's pretty much what I've been up to, guys. I hope that was a quick enough rundown for you, because I'm out of breath, man. Goodness. But yeah, got them pieces done, man. Like I said, I'm really pleased with the way the heat sleeve, the DI stuff come out on the car. It looks really good. Like I said, I just eyeballed that cut, man, and I couldn't done it no better. So got that stuff done. AC stuff ordered, on the way. We'll get this installed maybe in the next video. I'm not sure, so you got to make sure you stay tuned, figure out what we're going to be doing next, because to be honest with you guys, I don't know what I'm doing next half the time. I just come out here and just wing it, man. You know, I need to be doing stuff to the car right now, but I really don't have enough parts to put on right now per se to worry about coming out here and doing anything. But yeah, I need to get the front end down. I need to get that thing there down and get it ready to be put on the car. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, guys. Drop me a comment down below. Make sure you continue watching the channel, because like I said, we still got a lot to do on the Red Demon, man. So that's all I got for you, and I'll see you in the next one.